Well, hi there. You can see Sherlock behind me there. And, oh, there's Apple, too. We are out here. I have a little bit of a job to do. You can see we still have snow from last weekend's kind of surprise snowfall. Today is Thursday, and we actually have a long-range forecast for a big snowstorm on Sunday. Now, of course, those things can be completely wrong, but for the dog's sake, I like to get things ready. This deck is actually used probably more by the dogs than us during the winter months. They have their little exit over there that they come out from inside, and I got a pathway shoveled with that other snow, but the problem with that was we got really, really cold temperatures after the storm, so it turned to ice and I was not able to remove it. Well, we got a little bit of a break today. Temperature is up in the 40s. That's Fahrenheit, of course, but that's above freezing, so I should be able to scrape some of this ice off of the deck so that when we get a new snowfall, if we do on Sunday, I will hopefully be able to keep the path clear for the dogs to go out into the yard. Well, the dogs think that this frozen snow here is a treat. You want it? But I'm going to give it my best to just kind of scrape this off. I think Apple and Sherlock will help me. You know, I mentioned that 32 is the freezing point of water on the Fahrenheit temperature scale. I never really understood why it should be 32. You know, could have been 47. Doesn't matter. But 0 seems to make a lot more sense. I don't know if you know the origin of the Fahrenheit temperature scale. It was, of course, originated by a man named Celsius. Just kidding. Fahrenheit. About 200 years ago. And his 0 temperature point was actually defined by the freezing point of salt water. That doesn't make a lot of sense to me, but okay. And then he set another point at about 90 degrees for body temperature, but that really wasn't exactly accurate, was it? So I'm going to continue to work on getting all of this clear. Oop, wait a second. I need Sherlock. Sherlock, is that your yellow snow? Good, give it a good sniff. Ah, you know. Well, all right, it wasn't on the deck, so I guess we can forgive you for that. You went off the deck. Apple, you checking up on your little boy? So I'm going to continue to work on just moving this ice off of the deck and the step, and we'll see if that forecast holds true. If it does, we'll have more snow with the dogs' pictures to show you. And Sherlock, of course, will continue to enjoy that treat. You can have that ice, but make sure you don't eat the yellow snow.